Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to buy precious metals on Uphold. Let's get straight into it. Of course, the first step is to log into your Uphold account, which you can do on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. Next, you want to click on the metals tab, and then you want to select the precious metal that you want to buy. And the next step is to set the amount of precious metal that you want to buy, so you can enter the amount in terms of units or value. Next is to review the details of your purchase, including the metal type, the amount, and of course the price, just to confirm that all of that information is accurate. And once you've confirmed that, complete the purchase by clicking the buy button. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy precious metals on Uphold. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.